Welcome to SoSoValue's Furry News Studio. I'm your host and CIO, SoCaddis. Brings you the latest crypto market updates with max personality. Let's go through the crypto news worth paying attention today, according to SoSoValue. The first is, Ryu Sang-dong, Senior Deputy Governor of the Bank of Korea, stated that the introduction of Korean one-pegged stablecoins should be approached gradually. He suggested that such stablecoins should initially be issued by tightly regulated commercial banks. Once sufficient experience is gained, the issuance can then be expanded to non-bank institutions. This statement marks a significant step forward in South Korea's efforts to establish a regulatory framework for digital currencies. Currently, the administration led by President Lee Jae-myung is accelerating the legislative process to fulfill a campaign promise, allowing companies to issue Korean won-based stablecoins. The ruling Democratic Party has already proposed a draft bill aimed at building a robust regulatory foundation to ensure South Korea does not fall behind other nations in the digital currency space. Next news. According to CoinDesk, Mastercard has partnered with Chainlink to allow 3 billion Mastercard cardholders worldwide to directly purchase cryptocurrencies on the blockchain. The service integrates platforms such as Shift4, ZeroHash, XSwap, and Uniswap, and uses Chainlink's interoperability protocol to enable data exchange between card networks and multiple chains.
Nice.
Next news. On June 24th, Guotai Junan International officially received approval from the Hong Kong Securities and Futures Commission on June 24th to upgrade its existing securities trading license to provide virtual asset trading services and related advice. After the upgrade, clients can directly trade cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, as well as stablecoins such as Tether on its platform. Next news. On June 24, Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell submitted the Fed's semi-annual monetary policy report to Congress. He reaffirmed the Fed's commitment to its dual mandate of maximum employment and price stability, stating that despite increased uncertainty, the U.S. economy remains fundamentally strong. The labor market is near full employment, and while inflation has declined significantly, it still sits slightly above the Fed's long-term 2% target. When asked about crypto assets, Powell made it clear, the Federal Reserve does not have, and is not seeking, the legal authority to purchase Bitcoin. However, he emphasized that banks may still offer services to the crypto industry and conduct related business, as long as financial stability and system safety are maintained. Powell also welcomed ongoing efforts in Congress to advance stablecoin legislation, calling it a very positive development that signals progress toward clearer regulatory frameworks for digital assets in the U.S.
And so banks are free to provide banking services to the crypto industry, to crypto companies, and banks are also free to conduct crypto activities as long as they do so in a way that is, protective of safety and soundness.
That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and share the news to your friends. See you tomorrow.